Today we're going to be making a full head Alginate plaster life cast. Frick off, Steven. This isn't any 5-minute crafts bullshit. This is a difficult and involved process, but it's also a ton of fun. I'll walk you through it, guys. Let's do this. The first step is to prep up your plaster bandages by cutting them into 1-foot strips. Just have them all ready to go in a really manageable size. We used about 12 rolls. About. I honestly lost count. I didn't count. I'm fucked.
Onii-chan.
You guys starting to see? This is like a perfect first or second date. Break the ice, get sloppy, messy, dirty, trust exercise. What if she suffocates me? What if she frickin' plugs my straws? Ooh. Kind of burns the eyes, but it's like, just breathe, man. You'll get through it. Don't panic though. Whatever you do, don't start throwing up. You might not, you'll fucking die. Came out of it sort of frazzled. Just happy to be out, frankly.
Okay, I'll start doing this now.
See eyelashes on both sides. Probably noticed there's no ears on this casting. That's because with an alginate process, you can't easily do undercut features. You need to do them in 2 steps and then connect it afterwards. This is never the final product. This is just a jig that you then build something off of. So in Hollywood, they'd use something like this to make like a 3D facial prosthetic that custom fits an actor's face. Make like Star Trek aliens or Jackass old man makeup with it, something like that. In my case, I want to make a
battle helmet seat
kind of thing. But yeah, huge thanks to my 2 sisters, Ruth and Miriam, for helping me with this build. Ruth in particular, she's not visually shown in the video at all, but she was 8 months pregnant, crawling around on all 4s with her iPhone, getting close-up shots of Miriam working on me. Like, just big gratitude, you 2. Thanks for helping me out. And everyone else, like, thanks for making it to the end of the video. End of the video club. Now you gotta subscribe. See you later. Got a big head.
Slightly inflated.